So fixing this error is actually very simple, and if you do get this error with other programs, you can actually use the same solution I'm about to show you in this video. So the first thing we need to do is close out of this error, and then we need to access our Windows Defender. To do this, you want to click on the arrow on your taskbar, and you want to go ahead and double click the shield icon, and this will bring up your Windows Security. So once you're in the Windows Security, you want to click on Virus and Threat Protection, and then just under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, you want to click on Manage Settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down, and where it says Controlled Folder Access, you want to click on Manage Controlled Folder Access. From here, you notice that the Controlled Folder Access is enabled, and you can always go ahead and disable this, and this will fix the issue, and you can go ahead and load up your program that you're having errors with. However, if you do not want to turn this off, you can always click on Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access, and then from here, you want to click on Add an allowed app, click on Recently Blocked Apps, and here you find the program you tried to open up previously. Just go ahead and click on the plus icon, and then that will be added to the list of allowed applications. And again, you can go ahead and open up the application, and it will open up with no errors. And that is all you need to do to fix the error on Windows 10. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and have a good day.